Ed boy.
Boy, I feel good today, man. There's so many things that got me feeling good today. But YouTube gang, what's good? Interested coming back at you, and I got another trade breakdown for the gang, man. I'm trying to drop as many of these for you guys as possible. For whoever's watching, I know you like to see these trade breakdowns, so I'm trying to drop as many of these as possible. I'm not gonna waste your time. We're gonna jump right into it. So today I took a trade on Us30, Dow Jones 30, whatever you want to call it. Us30 is one of the indices that I like to trade, but sometimes it doesn't give me those setups that I look for. So I tend to lean on SPX, or the S&P 500 is what it's called, or even sometimes I look at NAS. As you can see, I have it over here on my watch list. But today I took a trade on Us30 because everything lined up that I like to see. So we're not gonna waste any time. We're just gonna jump right into it. Let me clear up the noise for the gang. So came to my chart this morning. When I open it up, I always open on the daily. I want to see what's going on the daily time frame, just to know where I'm at. As much as I don't like the higher time frames, you have to look at them, man. The higher time frames are those key time frames. They're winners, man. So not gonna waste any more time. So right here, before I came to my chart, before this candle was formed, how it's formed, I looked left and I saw that we were approaching a boss high, or what ICT says is a intermediate term high. So I kind of had a mixed bias about today, but I eventually did say that I believe that price was going to sell. We did get a break of this intermediate term high on this candle, so technically we're still bullish, but let me show you what we are also inside of, and that is a bearish order block, which I am highlighting for you now. Oh, and I see what's going on right here. Give me 1 second. I have to take this off. Let's take that off. We're inside of this bearish order block right here. These two consecutive up close candles is my daily bearish order block. So although we had a break of this intermediate term high, I did believe that we were going to at least sell for some part of the morning. I do believe that we were going to get like a sell move somewhere. So I had a sell bias, and all I had to do was be patient and wait. After today, who knows what price is going to do. Just gotta wait and see. You got to be reactive to the market, reactive to the footprints that are left behind by the algorithm, the banks. You just want to leave that behind. So we're inside. When I came to my chart, I saw that we were inside of this bearish order block, and we broke this boss high right here. But I had a sell bias. So as you know, I dropped down to my 1 hour time frame. Now, as you can see, we got a lot of information over here, and then I believe I highlighted that order block move right here. It was right here, and then I saw it right here, and then we'll go ahead and just extend it so that we don't have to stretch it all the way out. And then boom, I saw that we were inside of that 1 hour order block within the daily order block. So right then and there, this is what I saw coming to my chart. I came to my chart about in between 8:39. So I didn't see. So this is the candle I did not see yet. This is what I saw right here. And then I just dropped to my 1 minute, and I waited to see what I see. So right here, as you can see, we have some little action going on. We have this fill of this candle right here. We got the fill of this candle right here on that the 1 minute. So now on the 1 minute we are technically bearish, and then we got the retracement back in here until into this order block, and then it got a drop. But we also have another another fair value got right here, got another one right here. It's just a lot of, to me, it's a lot of liquidity to the sell side. So that was just further helping my analysis to the sell side, to believe that price was going to sell. But I did not take entry here because I like to wait until 9:30 to let that volatility kick in, to see, and to also see if we were going to get that Judas swing type move. If you don't know what a Judas swing is, I highly recommend looking up ICT, the inner circle trader. I can show you real fast. I highly recommend looking him up, and looking up what the Judas swing is. I'm still very new to it. I'm not too new to it. I have an understanding of what it is, but I want to have more knowledge on it. And then just once you get to his channel, this is his channel, just search Judas swing, and there should be a video there, right here. Just search Judas swing, understand the ICT Judas swing, and that'll further help you. But just to let you know, it's basically like a fake out move in the opposite direction of where price wants to go, and that's exactly what I was looking for when I saw that when the equities market opened at 9:30. So we're just gonna play it ahead here, wait until 9:30 hits, and then boom. Okay, so here we are, 9:29. It's all, look, the equities market, this isn't even open yet. It's already moving up, and then boom, we just got it. We got them exactly what I was expecting. We had that Judas swing like move, and right then and there, I knew not to take the buy because we were still within our the order block on the 1 hour and on the daily. So honestly, if at this point, if it just bought up, I would have just left price alone. I wouldn't have touched it. But eventually, if we play it out, we did get a reversal type move. So right here, this is where we got the feel of that imbalance right here. Go ahead and highlight this for you, and then we just waiting for the, at this point, once we saw the imbalance and then we get a feel of an imbalance, I'm waiting for the the boss low to be broken, and then that'll let me know that we're bearish. And then once I see that the boss low has been broken, I just look for a fair value gap, or what I also do too, I try to get in on the 50% of the order block. So just being patient. I was just patient as I was watching this. I just wanted to wait for that boss low to be broken, and then we wait, then boom, right there it got broken. So now I'm just looking for a fair value gap, or I'm looking for 50%. I'm looking for entry off of the 50% of the order block. So as you can see, we got the break, but we don't have an a fair value gap. Even if I play it out a little further, we don't have it. So what I did here, I knew that my order block was pretty much, this was pretty much my order block, those last consecutive up close candles. And what I like to do, enter off the order block, I like to enter off the 50% of the order block, which is right here. And right here, we technically have entry right here off of that next candle. So let me just go ahead and put in short right here. And then on US, now here's the difference with US30 and NAS that I do with the S&P. And I'm gonna as I grow as a trader, I'm gonna start to do what I do on S&P. I'm gonna start to do it on NAS and US30. Instead of a 1 to 3, I tend to take a 1 to 2 risk when it comes to trading US30 and NAS, because there is a little bit more volatility in NAS and US30. So I tend to take more tend to take a little just a 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is fine. You look, there's absolutely nothing wrong with the 1 to 2. And then I just target right about there. I don't do anything specific. I'm still learning to target like those important lows, those other liquidity spots. But just for now, I found something that works for me. I just tend to go for that 1 to 2. Stops go above the order block. I'm not expecting it to come back above here, being that I had to sell bias. So I just put my stops a little bit above, just a little bit. When I take spread into factor as well. So I put it a little bit above, just in case it wants to spike. And I'll probably say about, we'll just leave it there for now. But I tend to take a 1 to 2, as I stated before. About right there. As soon as it says 2, that's it. That's all I do. And I already have entry too, guys. So right there. And I already have entry here. So here's my entry point. And then right then and there, I just take entry and I just wait for price to play itself out. Now we did have news at 10. I was a little skeptical because I took the trade. Well, no, I already took the trade, and then the 10 o'clock was approaching, so I was already a little skeptical. I was gonna close it. I tend to close out my trades before big news. It was like high impact news, so I tend to close my trade a little bit before that news comes out, because you never know, it could spike up and hit your stop loss, or but I move my stops at a little bit past profit, so just in case it did spike up and before the news came out for some odd reason. For me personally, I don't need price to hit my take profit all the way. The only thing I needed to do is just go down there enough, and then I'm like, okay, I'm good. Eventually I'll start to let price just hit my take profit, and then I'll get out. You're gonna see on MT4 when I show you after this breakdown. But that's it. That's really the entry that I got, and then just let price do its thing. Boom, right there. Take profit hit. It was a wrap, and that's it, man. And then it does break down further. That's why I say that I do want to for now I just take a 1 to 2 on NAS and US30, and I take a 1 to 3 on SPX. I do want to start to target like the important lows, target those other liquidity spots. But 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risks is what I'm okay with now. And then as you can see, price it just tanks. You know what I'm saying? Price just tanks. That's why I want to learn, like, okay, where are those important spots that I can target? Where are those, like right here. I could have targeted, right here. I could have targeted the fill for this imbalance. I could have targeted these lows up under here. But I'll get to that point eventually. I'm very happy with what I did right here. And that's it, guys. That was the trade that I took. It's quite simple. I risk somewhere around anywhere between half of 1% of my account up to 1.25% of my the account. And that was it, guys. It's basically the trade. I'm gonna play it for you. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to throw a comment. If you like what you see, throw a like on the video, subscribe. I don't like to tell people, hey, subscribe. You subscribe on your own if you want. I do appreciate the likes, the comments. If you have any questions or if you do subscribe, I definitely do appreciate it. But that was it for the trade, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play for you guys, and then once you'll see where how the trade played out for me. I did take entry a little late, I'll admit. I took entry well late, very, very late, but I ended up taking another entry right where I intended to take it. Now that's the other thing that I have to learn to do better, is learning when to take entry, learning to take a better entry. I know when to get in. It's just I take a terrible entry sometimes, but it's a work in progress. I trust in my trade. I had faith that it was going to go in my intended direction that I wanted it to go to, and I didn't. I just let the trade play out. If it didn't work, then it didn't work. If it took me out a break even, or if it took me out a little bit in profit, it is what it is. But I do eventually get the drop that I want, and I took profit right where I wanted to take it. And let me also show you why I was very excited today. So this is real. I'm practicing for the FTMO. This is real. I can interact with the website. And that's the trade that I won, guys. $1,690. That is the two trades that I had taken today. And this is new territory for me, guys. I've taken a lot of demo challenges for FTMO because I do want to become funded. I have never achieved this, guys. I never hit my profit target. I always hit my max loss or my daily max loss before I hit my profit target. I have never had this. I've never had this, guys. Now, obviously, this is going to be, this is doable. Minimum 5 trading days. I never did this, guys. That's why I'm so happy today that my progress as a trader has come so far, and I'm so happy. Like, this is just new territory for me, and I'm not giving up. I'm going to continue to stay consistent and put in the work, and because this was just new for me. This was exciting for me. I'm so excited. But thank you for watching this video. Before I leave here, these are the two trades that I had taken. One of them was that $1,500 profit. The other one was $179 profit. You can see the lot size. I'm going to do a video on how I calculate my risk management and how I use my lot size in the future. You can see, like I said, I didn't have a take profit set. I just closed a trade when I was happy. But yeah, guys, I'm just super happy today. I'm gonna go ahead and let this other video play. If you like what you saw, go ahead and throw a like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe for your boy. Before I show this video for you guys, I just want to show you how long I've been trying to pass this challenge, man. Just once. Look at all this. This is let's count this out real fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times, guys. 7 times of not passing this, and after today, I technically passed it. I just need to meet the trading days, but obviously this is just a demo. I'm not actually taking the challenge yet, but this is such a huge step to come from not passing for 7 times, failing, and look at how long I've been doing. I've been trying to do this since December of 2020. I've come so far, guys, and this is just mind-blowing to me. Like, I'm so happy with myself.
nuts, boy. This big on cruise.